I've started several companies, all of which are started in London, in advanced manufacturing. So the first one started in 2008, straight after my PhD in robotics at UCL. I then started two other ones, again in 3D printing within London as well. The first one I actually sold only a year and a half ago to a US company, and the other two are at different stages of growth. The industry of 3D printing is at a juncture where they've realized that manufacturing is no longer about just production. It's about everything that happens before and after. So it comes from design, goes through analysis, production, and then goes on through to post-processing and all the logistics. What I've realized is that in the US, they understand this, and they understand the shift from manufacturing as simply selling products to manufacturing as a service. So I sold my company to a US company, to one called Autodesk. They're a CAD company based in San Francisco, because they really understood this paradigm shift, and I felt that it was the best place to put my technology and have it grow. I think in order for Europe to become more competitive, it needs to have a more mature and risk-pro venture capital ecosystem. I feel that in Europe, venture capital is really growth capital. People are waiting for a business to actually have matured and be cash flow positive for them to actually really put money into it. In the US, you see something different. People are really not only more pro-risk, but are actually integrated with the consumer base as well, so really understand where a young startup can really end up. So the advice I would give to younger people looking to go into entrepreneurship is to have an understanding of technology. I think it doesn't matter whether the company at the end is a technology company or not. Everything is running through software, so understanding how software works, understanding digital ecosystems is important. And I think it's also important to understand that businesses are now all global. No matter how niche you think you are, you're a global player. So actually having good understanding of politics and economics is useful.